Are you ready to start investing but don't know where to begin? It's like standing at the edge of a pool wondering if you should dive in, only this time your money is on the line. Imagine investing with just few taps on your phone. What if there were apps that could guide you through your first steps, making it easy to understand, track and grow your wealth? As somebody rightly said, the best time to invest was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. Let's dive in and explore the best investment apps for beginners that will help you to plant the money tree today. Number one on our list is Robinhood. If you have ever heard the phrase commission free trading, this is where it all started. Robinhood changed the investment world by allowing everybody to buy and sell stocks with zero fees. Robinhood appeal isn't just its simplicity, it's in how it empowers the new investors. But what makes the Robinhood really stand out is its learning resources. At number two, we have Acrons. Think of Acrons like the piggy bank of the digital age, but with a twist. Acrons rounds up your everyday purchases to the nearest dollar and invest the spare change into diversified portfolios. Let's say if you buy a cup of coffee at $4.5, Acrons will round it up to $5 and invest the remaining 50 cents. You can see where your money is going by clicking on the portfolio tab. It's passive effortless investing. Acron makes it easy to invest without even thinking about it. But what if you want more control over where your money goes? That's coming up in the next app. M1 Finance is for those of you who want a bit more control over your investment strategy without getting too complicated. It's like having your own personal money manager minus the high fees. M1 has customizable portfolios where you can choose individual stocks and ETFs to create your ideal mix. You can even set up automatic rebalancing to keep things aligned with your goals. It's easy to use, but it's truly beginners friendly for someone who just wanted to dip their toes in. Keep watching as we take a deeper look into the next app, which might be a better fit for those seeking even more simplicity, and that is Betterment. This app is all about automation and personalized advice. Think of it like having a robo advisor in your pocket. Here, Betterment will ask you questions about your future goals, like when you want to retire, and then suggest a portfolio based on your risk tolerance. From here, you can either follow their advice or tweak your selections. Betterment is perfect for those who don't want to spend a ton of time managing their portfolios. But remember, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. If you're ready to make the leap, just know that it's never too late to start. Thanks for watching and happy investing. See you in the next one.